Hello YouTube and welcome to lesson 38 of the Microsoft Word tutorial series, and today we're going to look at how to merge, split and resize cells inside of Microsoft Word. In order to merge the cells, what I want to do is, let's say for example I want to add in a header over here. I'm going to go out to the layout section right here and insert a row above. I'm just going to say this is my gadget list, just like this, and over here I'm going to bold this out because this is the title itself. So here I want this letter to be much more larger, so I'm going to increase the size over here, and I want this to span across all of the columns right there. So what I can simply do is I can right click and merge cells. That's one way, and another way is to actually go out to the layout tab and then click on merge cells, just like this. So one thing is to merge cells, and if I want to increase the size, I can simply go over here onto the height section and increase the height. That's one way. I can even use this resizer tool right here and then directly drag across the border as well, just like this. So now what I want to do is I want to split this price cell right here. So if I want to split it, I'm going to select all of it and I'm going to go into split cells. So it will actually ask me the number of rows and columns that I want to have. So I'm going to say I want to have 2 columns and 3 rows. So that's what I want. If I want to have third row, then I want to say 3. So I'm just want this as default. So I'm going to press OK, and you can see that that actually splits up the cells just like this. So you can have 399. You have to rearrange the data as you can see. I want to center align this just like this. I want to erase this out so that it's center aligned, and there's 599 all right here. So discounted price, let's say for example this is gonna be discount 29% off and so forth. So I can actually write this out over here and then have different set of price sets just like this over here. I can even select one row right here and then split that out as well. So over here what I can simply do is select this out and then go into split cells, and it'll ask me the number of rows and columns. So I'm just going to say 2 columns, and you can see that that actually split out. So if I want to merge it back again, I can simply right click and then merge it out, and that brings it out back to normal. So I can select different table styles over here from the table design menu over here. So I can select different types of table design, as you can see. So there are a lot you can choose from, and you can also manually adjust the table styles, as you can see. So you can see that everything has been actually redesigned and quite good. So another way to resize the cells is by dragging this. As you can see, you can also drag these portions over here or directly drag the cells just like this. If you were just to select a cell and then drag it, let's say for example like this, you can see that you can even drag like a single cell object. So just select 2 rows just like this, and then you can drag only that part of these cells just like this. So you can see that I can even do this with the rows. So yeah, you can see that with the rows it is not possible just like this, but you can actually merge them out as well, just to create an effect just like that. So you can see that this is actually possible. Alright, so you can actually move this out as well, just like this, to create individual effects just like that. So that is how you merge, split and resize cells inside of Microsoft Word. Hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.